Ripple just made a move that could shake up the entire crypto industry. Bank of America's involvement with Ripple isn't just another rumor. This could be the breakthrough that pushes XRP into mainstream finance. With one of the largest banks in the US showing interest, XRP's role in global payments might be bigger than anyone expected. For years, Ripple has been working behind the scenes to replace outdated banking systems, and now the pieces are finally coming together. If Bank of America fully integrates Ripple's technology, it could set off a chain reaction, bringing even more financial giants into the XRP ecosystem. Could this be the key to XRP reaching $100? The signs are pointing to something big, and by the time most people realize it, the opportunity might already be gone. Bank of America's connection to Ripple isn't new, but recent developments suggest that this partnership is stronger than ever. In the past, there have been reports and patents linking Bank of America to Ripple's technology, sparking speculation that the banking giant was exploring ways to integrate XRP into its payment systems. But now, things are becoming more clear. This isn't just speculation anymore. Ripple has been working closely with financial institutions worldwide, and Bank of America has openly praised Ripple's payment solutions. During industry conferences, top executives have acknowledged the efficiency, speed, and cost savings that Ripple's technology offers. If Bank of America officially adopts Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, for cross-border transactions, it could be a massive boost for XRP's credibility and adoption. This wouldn't just validate Ripple's mission, it would signal to the entire banking sector that XRP is ready for mainstream finance. And if one of the biggest banks in the US takes the lead, other financial institutions could quickly follow. This could be the beginning of a major shift, one that puts XRP at the center of global payments. If Bank of America fully integrates Ripple's technology, it could transform the entire crypto and banking landscape. Right now, traditional banks rely on outdated systems like SWIFT, which are slow, expensive, and inefficient. But Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, offers a faster, cheaper way to move money across borders, settling transactions in just seconds instead of days. A partnership with one of the biggest banks in the US wouldn't just boost XRP's credibility, it could force other banks to follow. Financial institutions compete to offer the best services, and if Bank of America starts using Ripple's technology to process transactions faster and at a lower cost, other banks will have no choice but to adopt similar solutions to stay competitive. This could be the tipping point that finally brings XRP into mainstream finance. Once banks and payment providers see real-world proof that Ripple's system is more efficient than SWIFT, demand for XRP could skyrocket. The financial world is moving toward blockchain-based solutions, and Ripple is positioning itself as the leader. The only question is, how long before the rest of the world catches on? XRP's role in the future of banking is becoming more obvious with every move Ripple makes. The financial system is shifting toward faster, more efficient digital payments, and Ripple's already years ahead in building the infrastructure. If Bank of America fully adopts on-demand liquidity, ODL, XRP could become the bridge asset that connects different currencies and banking networks worldwide. Right now, banks struggle with high fees and slow transactions when sending money across borders, but with XRP, these transfers happen instantly and at a fraction of the cost. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a complete transformation of how money moves globally. And if a major US bank like Bank of America makes the switch, it validates Ripple's technology on a massive scale. But this isn't just about one bank. If Bank of America leads the way, other financial giants could follow, leading to mass adoption of XRP across the banking sector. At that point, XRP wouldn't just be another cryptocurrency, it would be a fundamental part of the global financial system. And when demand increases at that scale, the impact on XRP's price could be massive. The big question everyone is asking, could XRP really hit $100? While that number might seem far off, it's not impossible if mass adoption happens. Right now, XRP is still undervalued compared to its potential. If Bank of America and other major financial institutions start using XRP on a large scale, demand could skyrocket. And with a fixed supply of 100 billion XRP, basic economics tells us that prices will rise. Some analysts predict that if XRP replaces SWIFT for cross-border payments, a double or even triple-digit price isn't out of the question. If trillions of dollars start flowing through Ripple's network, XRP could reach valuations we haven't seen before. Historically, we've seen how Bitcoin and Ethereum surged in price when institutional adoption increased. XRP could follow the same pattern. Of course, price movements depend on many factors, including regulatory clarity, adoption speed, and overall market conditions. But one thing is clear: if Ripple's partnerships with banks continue growing, XRP's price may no longer be measured in small gains. We could be looking at a complete revaluation of what XRP is truly worth in the financial world. One of the biggest factors that could impact XRP's rise is regulation. While Ripple has won key victories against the SEC, the legal battle isn't completely over. However, the situation is shifting in Ripple's favor, and regulatory clarity could be the final piece needed for XRP's full adoption. If Bank of America is moving forward with Ripple, it could signal that major financial institutions are confident that XRP will not be classified as a security, removing one of the biggest obstacles in its path. Beyond the US, countries around the world are already integrating Ripple's technology. From Europe to Asia and the Middle East, financial regulators are recognizing XRP as a legitimate tool for cross-border payments. This global acceptance puts pressure on the US to catch up and establish clear regulations, making it easier for banks to use XRP without hesitation. If Ripple secures more regulatory approvals, it could open the floodgates for institutional investment. The banking sector is highly regulated, and once XRP is fully compliant, banks and financial institutions could start adopting it at an even faster pace. When that happens, XRP's price may no longer be a question of if it will rise, but how fast. For XRP holders, this is a defining moment. Ripple's growing partnerships, the increasing interest from major banks, and the ongoing regulatory clarity all point to one thing: XRP is being positioned for something much bigger than most people realize. While some investors focus on short-term price fluctuations, those paying attention to these larger moves understand that XRP's true value lies in its adoption by the financial system. If Bank of America and other institutions fully integrate Ripple's technology, XRP could become one of the most widely used digital assets in the world. Now, history has shown that when mass adoption happens, prices don't just increase gradually, they explode. The key for investors is recognizing these shifts before they happen, not after XRP is already in the spotlight. Right now, the pieces are falling into place. The banking system is evolving, and Ripple is leading the way. The question is, are you prepared for what comes next? Because by the time the rest of the world catches on, the biggest opportunities may already be gone.